Like, I don't think anyone is going to figure out how to make money just on esports. They will have to leverage their skill, their knowledge, the people that they have on board to be able to actually make money off of this. Whether it's Liquid doing like a Liquipedia or their app, whether it's Sentinels doing like a Sensity or them doing content, or us doing our studio, or anyone working on 100 Thieves doing their merch. Everyone has to figure out some way that they can monetize based on the skills that they have, the skills that their team possesses. And I joke around about this a lot in GR. Like, all of 2020, 2021, हम लोग ने काम किया हमारे स्टूडियो में. We've gone and got projects. We have worked day and night so we could earn money, so we could pay salaries to our players.
Right. That
उनके लिए हमने काम किया पूरा COVID.
ये change होगा. See, I believe that winning and losing is a part of it. But to be honest, I don't see the enthusiasm in the current esports player. उनको ट्रॉफी की लत है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. बट आप खुद को एज अ esports पर्सनैलिटी इवॉल्व कैसे करोगे, वो उनमें हंगर नहीं है. No one dreams of becoming the next Mortal or Scout, which is a very, very big problem. If they dream, just dreams don't get you there.
They want
So, abhi, obviously, official tournament is going on. We have seen bigger names going out, like Global Esports. They did go out, and Godlike also, is eliminated as we speak. Abhi jab ye podcast ho raha hai. So, do you think, is it because of the hunger, or what would have been the reasons? Because they played good at one point.
That is nothing to do with the hunger. I mean, like, Godel भी अच्छी टीम है, सब अच्छी टीम है. मतलब वो तो किस्मत की बात है. मतलब आई थिंक दैट्स प्योरली लक यार. मतलब 5 पॉइंट 4 पॉइंट 10 पॉइंट के फर्क में आप 4th और 7th आ गए तो
that's battle royale.
That's RNG. मतलब just going to that.
Like, there have been phases where official tournaments are the most difficult to qualify, and if you qualify, that's the epitome for India. Like official tournaments, but it is very difficult. Like, qualifying for BGIS,
qualifying is tough.
is the most difficult.
इनकी टीम फाइनल्स पहुंच गई ना. मतलब वी आर सॉर्टेड. वी डोंट वरी अबाउट द फाइनल्स. Qualification is so difficult, but I think that's the fun of the game, especially BGIS. When it comes to something like a BMPS, it's pretty easier because even it's called a pro series for a reason. Teams get a better invite at a better stage just to bring, like, I would say uniformity in the ecosystem. But BGIS we understand, and मतलब उपाय नहीं है.
And that's how you unearth stars. Like, that's the only way through BGIS is when those actual fandoms are created and storylines are created. Because third party तो यार हर कुत्ता जीत सकता है यार. मतलब official tournament is something which is, I think, the goal for everyone here. मतलब
especially because the format, because it's so long drawn out, the fact that you have managed to get from round 1 to that final stage, that means you have consistently performed and survived where other people may have had good days or bad days. You have to have multiple good days. Like, मैं exam का example बहुत देता हूँ कि it's like going for an exam, but board exam एक दिन 3 घंटे में खत्म हो जाता है वो subject. Now imagine if you had to give that same subject every day for 3 months. And then your average marks were taken. That's what BGIS is.
Then you'll either have like 100 out of 100, and also like maybe some days you might just have 45 out of 100. And like, what's your take on that?
This whole qualification thing is, firstly you don't know how these underdogs play, where do they drop, how how do they rotate. I think the analysts and all also don't have enough data.
Is that one decision जो कि owners के mind में आता है कि अब ये टीम डिसॉल्व की जानी चाहिए, अब ये टीम को हटा देना चाहिए, like किस तरीके से वो एक फैक्टर आता है?
I don't know कि वो क्या फैक्टर है, but results are never a reason.
Okay.
बस यही मैं बोलूँगा.
टीम बट क्या इंडियन e-sports इकोसिस्टम में ओवरऑल एक गवर्निंग बॉडी होनी चाहिए?
No.
Absolutely not.
If no, why not?
See, I think यार on record बोल नहीं सकते. Yeah, मतलब
I can give a good thought. I can give an on record safe answer. I think it's too immature and too early, because whoever comes in now as the governing body, whoever is the decision maker, it is going to be close to impossible for them to have an unbiased opinion. Whatever decisions they make will be to benefit them, their org or their affiliates the most, which is going to ruin the future of esports. So I would say right now it's better that it be the wild west for the next few years, till everyone learns how to grow, sustain, survive and understand what works before there is an unbiased body that is made. Right now it's too early for anyone to come and govern how things should be done. हम लोग जो है, who we are saying that we are at the top, we ourselves don't know क्या कर रहे हैं. We are figuring out and learning new things every day. If some third party comes and says ऐसे करो, ये allowed नहीं है, इतनी minimum salary दो, ये contract में ये होना चाहिए, then वो ही कर ले, फिर हम नहीं करेंगे.